Hi, good evening. Welcome to Open House. My name is Miss Cherry and I'm teaching 10th grade physical education this year at Chula Vista High School. Welcome all of you parents and students to my class. This is my 26th year teaching in the Sweetwater Union High School District, and I look forward to this year with your students and having a lot of fun playing some team sports. Go Spartans!
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Ortega. I'm an alumni from Chula Vista High School, and I am now a PE teacher here, and I look forward to teaching your students this year.
Hi, I'm Coach R. Renteria is my last name, but I like to go by Coach R. I coach Course 1, 9th graders. I'm an alumni here, and I'm happy to be back home, so I look forward to coaching your students.
Oh, hey, Spartan parents. My name is Brian Leonard. I'm a 9th grade PE teacher here at Chula Vista High School. And when I'm not teaching badminton or frisbee golf, I'm spending my free time on the golf course with my kids, enjoying the nice California weather with my family. I can't wait for the 2023 and 24 year to be able to teach kids PE.
How you doing, everyone? My name is Coach Butterfield. I'm a Course 2 sophomore PE teacher here at Chula Vista High School. I've been here about 17 years. It's my pleasure to help you and your kids out this year. Thank you very much.
Hey everybody, I'm Coach Quinlan. I'm glad you could all make it tonight. Hey everybody, I've been teaching PE here for about 21 years. I teach Course 1, APE, and weight room. I really look forward to teaching your kids this year.
Hi, this is Miss Cherry, and I'm here to talk about the 5 ways to be a successful physical education student. Make sure that you are suited up every day. Have your PE clothes here and ready to go on every PE day. Make sure that you have great attendance, that you're here in class, and that you're participating in all of the activities, completing the running activities and all of the other sport activities to the best of your ability. Make sure that you have a locker checked out and that you're using your locker only, you're not sharing lockers, and then you're locking your stuff up every day when you come out to class. Also, parents and students should be on Jupiter Grades, checking regularly to make sure that you're aware of where your standing is in the class. All grades are updated on Jupiter Grades, and so you should be checking that at least once a week minimum. Also, Infinite Campus will help you regulate your attendance, seeing if you have absences or tardies for the class. You should be on both of those things to monitor your students' grade and their attendance. Thank you and have a great evening.
Thank you, Miss Cherry. My topic tonight is going to be the Chula Vista High School website. And on the Chula Vista High School website, you can find a teacher's email, you can find our course syllabus, and you can also find out information about absences. If your student is absent, they need to contact their own individual teacher to figure out how they can make up those points. There's many different ways, but it's the student's responsibility to talk to that teacher. Thank you, and have a good night.
Hey everybody, each year in the spring we do a variety of fitness tests to test the healthy fitness zones of your students. We do a variety of cardiovascular testing, muscular strength and endurance testing. We do preliminary tests in the fall, and then we do a final assessment to work towards a fitness plan in the spring.
Hey everyone, it's Mr. Ortega again, and I'm here to wrap it up with some recommendations for your student during PE class. Alright, number 1, recommend bringing a water bottle to stay hydrated. Number 2, bring a hat and some sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. Number 3, please try to use the restroom before or after PE class. And lastly, when you lock yourself up in the PE locker room, use the big locker during PE class, lock your stuff in there, and when we return, take your stuff out of the big locker and you put your PE clothes back in your little locker after class. All right, thank you everyone for joining us in Open House, and have a good year.